Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, it means your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all, watch this video till the end. Your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. If my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes this method don't work on your smartphone. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be charged less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you will have to fully charge off your smartphone at least 30%. Otherwise, you may also use your smartphone's charger at the time of using this unlocking method like this. Now, one more thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of today's video, then you may also take help of my next upcoming videos or older videos, and for this you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of today's video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. As you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be switched off, and for this simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this. You will get a key of airplane mode. Simply you will have to activate your phone's airplane mode key. After activating your phone's airplane mode key, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network will be switched off. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method. But before going to the master unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your smartphone, and the main thing is that your phone's all the background running applications should be closed. And for this you will have to go with the new special secret code which will close all the background running application of your smartphone, because generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked, and you will have to feed the secret code in your phone's dialing pad. So simply you will have to slide up your phone like this, and you will have to click on this emergency SOS option, and you will have to open your phone's dialing pad like this. Now here you will have to feed the special secret code, and the today's recent secret code is star 666 then star 8523 star 111 then hash. After feeding the secret code, you will have to call on the secret code. At the first time when you will call on the secret code, you will get a pop-up of a OK button. Okay, again you will have to call on the secret code, and the third time you will have to call on the secret code. Now after call on the secret code 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking mode page. So simply you will have to clear your call log like this. Now you will have to feed a special secret code, that is star has 899 then has. Now after feeding this secret 99 then has, after fitting this USSD code, now you can see here your phone has been switched to the new page. That page name is after sales page, and you will get a lots of option on this page. But you can see here there is an option of a manual test option. So simply you will have to go with this manual test option, and when you will go with this manual test option, you will reach to a new page, and the page name is engineers mode page, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page. But you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the device debugging option, and you will get a lots of option on this device debugging page. But you can see here there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration option at the 6th number. Okay, so simply you will have to go with this sensor self test and calibration option, and at the first time when you will click on this sensor self test and calibration option, you will get a 3 type of option on this page. It may be possible your phone will be showing here 1 option or 2 options, so don't worry at all the option will be showing here operation not started. You can see here. Now you will have to simply start this operation by clicking on these options. So I'm going to click on this option to start this operation, and you will have to continue click on this option until you get a single test passed message in green color. Okay, so now you can see here a single test passed message in green color has been appeared on my phone display. Okay, it means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now you don't have to do anything with your smartphone, because your phone has been completely unlocked. And how will you check whether your phone has been unlocked or not? So simply you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. Simply you will have to click on this home button to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So I'm going to click on this option. sorry. So you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked and all the application which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. So if your phone is unlocked with the help of today's video, then do the like this video. Otherwise you may also make a comment in my comment box which type of issues you're facing to unlock your smartphone. Thank you so much.